Hi, I thought I'd show you a simple thing that you can do to add another dimension to your pivot tables. This was a question that somebody asked me in the class last week. Let me show you what I mean. Here I've got the file that I would like to make a pivot table from. So as you all probably know, you can make a pivot table by being in the data. The shortcut is Alt-NVT, New Pivot. Otherwise, if you don't like shortcuts, you can go to the Insert ribbon and the pivot table button is just up on the left. Okay, I'm just going to make a new pivot table on a new sheet, so I'm only going to say OK to this box. Here's my pivot table fields box where I start to manipulate my data. So if I put the dates down into the rows, you'll notice that I get both quarters and dates, and I'll put the sales into the values. If I'd like to see the months, for example, I'll get rid of the quarters and I'll just see the months. So that's what we're looking at. Obviously, you can format that data by right-clicking and number format. And we could put it in as just a number format with thousand separator and no decimals. And that will work out really well for our data. OK, so if you wanted to do an average or any other kind of formula, in addition to that, you can drag the sales data down to the values area again. And this time what you do is you use the little drop down here and go to value field settings. And here you've got all these formulas. So if I wanted to see the average, I could add the average in. Obviously, I'm going to have to just format that again. There we go. And this could be really useful if I put on, say, a slicer for my agents. So if I insert a slicer, my agents, and I want to see the sales by, for example, each agent individually, I can do that using my slicer. So I hope you found that useful. Please let me know if you've got any questions about pivot tables that I can answer for you.